Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Chris out in Hawaii doing your London Open analysis for Thursday, April 25th. A couple updates from Zero Hedge on um, sentiment. The euro is still bearish from weaker than expected German IFO data, and that was from yesterday's London trading session. The yen I have is slightly bullish. It's a risk-off environment right now. You can see equities are kind of teetering. The Bank of Japan release here at the Asia session was really a non-event, so nothing one way or the other. The CAD is bearish after a dovish Bank of Canada rate statement. They had lower estimates on their GDP production for the future, so that definitely impacted the CAD. And then the Aussie is still bearish from a CPI miss across the board from a couple sessions ago. So that's still tradable. So really I'm looking at a Euro Yen short, a CAD Yen short, or an Aussie Yen short. And at the New York Open today, I entered a CAD short. So I wanted to share that with you guys and kind of show you where we're at now. So we got in initially at this level here at the 8,300, so right at the figure. So normally I would have waited to the 38% fib, but at the figure is usually a pretty powerful number for repelling. And it moved slightly against us right here as it was going up. So I entered again here at the 50% fib, so that kind of gave me an average position right around the 38. The risk is still at 0.5%. Initially I was going to target the zero, but I'm actually going after the extension, the 127 extension. So we're looking at 82.40, 82.48 is what I'm looking to do. Depending on how it reacts, I might do a third position here, but I won't do more than that. So that's kind of how I take the balance of reward to risk, because generally my pips for take profit are a little less than my stop loss at the initial first position. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So that's a position that I'm currently in. Let's take a look at the Euro Yen and see if we have anything going on here. And, you know, this is a really good best practice, is don't open the chart unless you have a pair that you're thinking about, because the mind sees what it wants to see. And if you're looking at charts all the time, you're going to see patterns that you never thought you could identify in both directions. So it's really going to play with your mind a lot. And that's really what the basis of Ben's training is, and the methodology. And that's what I've been using here for a couple of years now. So here, looking at the 1 hour chart, you can see if we would have gotten in a little bit earlier, we would have had a nice little retracement here at the 50 level and maybe even at the 61, but it already kind of made the move and it's going downwards, so I'm not interested in trading that right now. Now, this is a chart that maybe you can keep an eye on. So let's say it takes another leg lower and then comes back to this level here. So, you know, if you kind of go out maybe to the 4 hour chart just to kind of see, it doesn't really even show you. Yeah, I would be looking for a leg down lower and then a retracement to this, and that would be something I might be interested in. Aussie Yen, that is the final one we're looking at. This one's kind of bottomed out over here. You can kind of see this area is pretty, you know, it's consolidating right now. So if you take a look back, yeah, it might break lower, but it's too early in the move to do anything. So, you know, this is something maybe if you look at the end of London session and, you know, let's see if there's anything going on with that. But really nothing new tradable for me. So I'm in my CAD Yen short, and it's moving pretty well here. So going back to the news, let's see if we have anything going on in terms of high impact releases. So we have got the core durable goods orders month over month for the US. That's really it for today. Nothing until tomorrow at London session. So, you know, I would say those three currencies, the Aussie, the CAD, and the Euro against the Yen, we're pretty safe to trade those right now. And you know, we'll see how this CAD Yen comes out. So That's all I had for you guys today. Happy to answer any questions, and hey, good luck trading today. Hopefully we get some nice retracements and we can make some extra moves here. Thanks.